Rule 9. Narrow channel. Rule 9 applies to all vessels operating in narrow channel in any condition of visibility. Rule 9A requires that vessel navigate near the outer starboard limit of a narrow channel to the extent that is safe and practicable to do so. Vessels do not have the right to assume that they are entitled to have exclusive use of the entire right-hand side of a narrow channel. 9B. Vessel less than 20 meters in length or sailing vessel shall not impede the passage of a vessel which can safely navigate only within a narrow channel or fairway. C. Vessel engaged in fishing shall not impede the passage of any other vessel navigating within a narrow channel or fairway. D. Vessel shall not cross a narrow channel or fairway if such crossing impedes the passage of a vessel which can safely navigate only within such channel or fairway. The later vessel may use the sound signal prescribed in Rule 34D. Rule 34D, when vessels in sight of one another are approaching each other and from any cause either vessel fails to understand the intention of or action of the other or is in doubt whether sufficient action is being taken by the other to avoid collision, the vessel in doubt shall immediately indicate such doubt by giving at least 5 short and rapid blasts on the whistle. I say again, giving at least 5 short and rapid blasts on the whistle. Such signal may be supplemented by a light signal or at least 5 short and rapid flashes. Rule 9E1. In a narrow channel or fairway, when overtaking can take place, only if the vessel to be overtaken has to take action to permit safe passing. The vessel intending to overtake shall indicate her intention by sounding the appropriate signal prescribed in Rule 34 Charlie 1. Rule 34 Charlie 1 means a vessel intending to overtake another shall, in compliance with Rule 9E1, indicate her intention by the following signal on her whistle. 2 prolonged blasts followed by 1 short blast means I intend to overtake you on your starboard side. 2 prolonged blasts followed by 2 short blasts means I intend to overtake you on your port side. The vessel about to be overtaken when acting in accordance with Rule 9E(1) shall indicate her agreement by the following signal on her whistle. 1 prolonged, 1 short, 1 prolonged, and 1 short blast in that order. 9E in bracket 2. This rule does not relieve the overtaking vessel of her obligation under Rule 13. Rule 13 is overtaking rules. Overtaking vessel must keep out of the way of the vessel being overtaken, and overtaking vessel does not relieve her duty of keeping clear of the overtaken vessel until she is finally passed and clear. Rule 9F. A vessel nearing a bend or an area of a narrow channel or fairway where other vessels may be obscured by an intervening obstruction shall navigate with particular alertness and caution and sound the appropriate signal in Rule 34E. Rule 34E. A vessel nearing a bend or an area of a channel or fairway where other vessels may be obscured by an intervening obstruction shall sound 1 prolonged blast. Such signal shall be answered with a prolonged blast by any approaching vessel that may be within hearing around the bend or behind the intervening obstruction. Lastly, Rule 9G. Any vessel shall, if the circumstances of the case admit, avoid anchoring in a narrow channel.